Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial by Aiden's Cuts. Today we'll be doing a number 2 buzz cut with a high burst skin fade. I'll be starting the fade by creating my first guideline and using the trimmers, going from the C cup in a circular motion right to the bottom of the head. Making sure we remove all the stubble with our trimmers so it's easy to shave with our foil shavers. When you have removed all the stubble, I like to go in with my talcum powder. I did use a little bit too much in the next clip, but make sure you get rid of it all before you start the next step. The next step will be to either get a 2 or a 1.5, flicking all the way open and making sure we're keeping everything square right up to the parietal ridge. Then using our 0.5, we're going to be creating the same circular motion that we used before for the trimmers and making sure for every step that we are doing the exact same circular motion. Then with our 1 all the way open, we're just going to flick out square right up to the parietal ridge, going into the 1.5 that we put in before in the same motion. Making sure after every step we always start with it open and then we close the clipper all the way, going just below what we just did. In my opinion, one of the most important part of the transitions of the fade is from the 0 to the number 1. So if you get this right, the fade's going to look great. To finish off the fade, I put the 0.5 guard on, flicking out from all the way open to all the way closed, and then I'll go in with my 0 gapped clippers, just flicking out that last 0 line. Making sure if you do see any dark spots, use the corner of the clippers to remove the weight, or use the trimmers, making sure you're not flicking in too hard. Another optional step you could do is use the thinning scissors to remove any weight. We then want to line up the haircut, making sure we take it as much time as we need to ensure that everything is symmetrical on both sides. If you are a beginner barber, you do want to remember to not push your client back whatsoever past their natural hairline, because we do want the haircut to have longevity. Another optional step is to use enhancements. I love enhancements, it makes the haircut look that much better and makes the client leave the shop feeling 1,000,000%. And finally, to complete the cut, we're going to give it a razor finish to achieve the desired result. And that is how you do the perfect buzz cut with a burst fade. If you guys enjoy these shorter format tutorials, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be posting one video per week for the rest of the year, so please let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you.